congratulations on completing your module 1, as we have moved to module 2, which is different style of interior design. Now we are going to learn different type of interior styles.
What is interior styles? The style of the interior means a set of basic features, design techniques, and elements of furniture which create special harmony in a particular style. Styles were in favor, becoming the mainstream of a particular era and went into the shadows. There are a lot of regional styles in the interior design: constructivism, minimalism, modernism, classicism, provence, country, ethno, and Scandinavian styles. It's not a complete list of styles which were existed and continue to exist in the art of design and artistic culture. Also, many styles are divided into movements. There can be a different variations in the interior design that will harmoniously fit for the interior of your home. Many designers combine features of different styles in order to create interesting and original interiors.
There are many different type of interior styles: modern, contemporary, minimalist, industrial, mid-century modern, Scandinavian, traditional, transitional, French country, woman, rustic, and shabby chic.